Gateway Bookbinding Systems, in business since 1965, is recognized within the industry as the plastic spiral experts. The equipment that Gateway builds is designed to bring you user-friendly productivity and flexibility. The 3000QS4 is the most affordable and easy-to-use full-range automatic coil inserter on the market for the trade bindery, the implant, or the digital printer. The QS stands for Quick Setup. No tools are required for basic setup and changeover. A simple coil sizing gauge on the side of the machine determines the diameter of coil required for the job. The operator simply places the selected coil into the innovative carriage adjustment gauge, which sets the carriage position. A base set of 15 spine formers, conveniently stored behind the front panel, help curve the book to match the curve of the coil. The side lay block rotates to set the perfect angle to correspond to the diameter of coil being used, with additional microlateral adjustment. The cut and bend heads on the 3000QS4 are designed for easy adjustment. Simply loosen, slide into position, retighten, and you're all set. The 3000QS4's LCD screen guides the operator through setup and operation. The LCD screen communicates with the operator at all times. The oversized oval or double D punch hole is always recommended for automated coil insertion. The 3000QS4 standard unit handles coil diameters from 8 to 20 millimeters. Vertical book placement works with gravity and also allows for tabs or wider covers. Logical operation, ergonomic work surfaces, and convenient foot pedal actuation mean even your newest employee will quickly get up to speed. The 3000QS4 can produce up to 600 bound and finished books per hour. For the higher volume environment, flexibility is key. The 3000QS4 can easily jump from 208mm books to a job for 1015mm books, and back again. Efficient changeovers minimize downtime. The PBS 3000QS4 is available as a 12-inch model or a wider format 17-inch machine for your calendar and oversized book runs. For the smaller coil diameters of 6 and 7mm, there is a 6/7 conversion kit available. Changeover kits in 3:1 or 2.5:1 pitch, paired with a larger oval punch hole, expand the machine's range to handle up to a 30mm coil. Conveniently placed on casters, the 3000QS4 can be moved anywhere it's needed on your production floor. The PBS 3000QS4 comes complete with a photo instruction manual and training video. With a 1-year parts warranty and the support of Gateway's exceptional technical service team, you can be confident you're investing in a machine you can count on. The best feature of Gateway's larger equipment is that it's modular. You can interline the PBS 3000QS4 auto inserter with Gateway's NCF6 concept former at any point for the expanded capability of in-house coil manufacturing. Add a second QS4 to the interline and double your productivity. For assistance or machine references, please contact us.